Hi there guys, welcome back to Crypto Rise. Today we're going to be looking into Fantom, but before that, the giveaway winner was Hyan Ahmed, and the person that refers to, can you send me a message on Telegram? I'll be sure to get back to you there and I'll send you that one quant. And I'll be doing another giveaway this week and it'll be a one quant again. Remember guys, like, comment, subscribe, share and put the notification bell on, and comment below in any of my videos saying that you've done all three, and I'll be sure to reset it and pick the winner at the end of this week. So on Sunday at the end of this week, remember guys. So now let's get straight into the video. So we're looking at Fantom. Fantom's not doing too bad. It's positive for today. It's 0.26. So it hasn't gone drastically up, but it's been doing decent for how long it's been up there for. If we look at the candle chart, look, it's grown all the way up to 2.8. It went down a bit with the red candle and here, but it looks like it's going on a green candle, so it's going back up to a decent price. So look, let's see what the comments are saying about it. I think personally it's still not too bad. The big giant drop it took in August really brought the price down, but look, it's almost halfway back there. Look, that's the pip that the price went up to, obviously came back down to and create that candle, which was 0.31, but that's literally only 0.1 away from its initial price up there. So technically it's doing not too bad. It's doing pretty good in my opinion, and I feel like it could get back up to there just in a couple months if people were to really pump it up, really get behind the project itself. So let's see what people are saying in the comments. FTM topped up bags to 2k. FTM, thanks guys. So he's very bullish on it. He's obviously put more money into it. I'm bullish on FTM. That says what it says on the tin. FTM crypto.com stake 10%. So they're staking crypto, they're staking FTM on crypto.com, which is another way of making money. If you guys ever want me to make a video on staking, in the next couple of days I'll do one on quant, how to stake quant, and what are the best exchanges to stake it on. So if you guys have any more suggestions for staking coins, drop it in the comments and I'll be sure to look back on that. FTM weekly performance top. So FTM's right there. With all of these ones, it's like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Link, Dot, Atom, and XLM. So Stellar, it's there. It's making a decent comeback in terms of being green for the end of the week. So 1 billion market cap possible before December. Screen this. So he's trying to say that by the end of the year it will grow to that amount. That's very it's good to see, of course, but we're gonna have to see. It's quite far away from 1 billion. I mean, it's almost at 700 million, so it's not too far, but it's gonna take a lot of pumping into the community for that to happen. So now let's look at Twitter. Let's see if there's anything good on Twitter to look at. What else? Okay, so it says Godfather DeFi, Androcone Tech, slams Ethereum and Avalanche scaling techniques. So this is a whole, I think probably a video project on it. So this person, Dino N, is saying some of the crypto gems for the next bull run. He mentioned FTM in there, and is there quant in there that we... No quant in there, so I don't know, maybe he's got another opinion on quant. He's not adding in there. Do you want me to make a list of the next potential 100x to 1000x gems? If you guys want to see that, that's his tag right there. Follow him there to see if you want to see what he's saying. FTM to $10 next bull run. $10 for FTM will do crazy numbers. That'll be a decent amount. If it reaches that amount. But there you go. Look here. This is another thing I saw. 0.25 retest, then moon. So he's saying on this graph, if it goes back to 0.25, once it hits that resistance line, it will shoot up. That we'll see if we can actually make that inference in the later dates. Now I've seen two good articles about FTM, which are very good because they kind of tell you the positives about the coins themselves. So the World Cup Inu is pumping, but these are the better investment, set to explode by 20x. So he talks about a World Cup coming close in 2022. It's literally like maybe a couple weeks away, and World Cup tokens like the World Cup Inu is pumping a lot because of the trend of World Cup going on at the moment. But as interesting as that sounds, it says here D2T, IMPT, RII, and TMA have better prospects than the World Cup Inu and are set to explode 20 times. They say that's going to explode there, but if you scroll down even further, it talks about FTM being there as well. So if we scroll down to where it says FTM, there, Fantom is that token with steady and unnoticed growth. At initiation, it was dubbed as incapable of attracting sophisticated investors but the story has been different, and Fantom appears to be aiming for the spotlight while remaining modest. Recently, it was reported that FTM investors are happy and silent grateful because the value of Fantom keeps increasing every day without any outbursts of headlines from the news media. Fantom FTM established Ethereum customers to proceed with the porting of decentralized applications to the new platform. So that's what it's trying to say, that the community as a whole doesn't care about big headlines and the coin getting so much interaction in terms of like in the news space, because without or with the publicity, it's still doing well in terms of the prices going up, the community is building higher and higher into bigger amounts of people, and there's loads of more people joining in and backing the project as a whole. And this is even without there being loads of big headlines about the coin. So if there were to be headlines about the coins, that would only mean that it will exponentially grow as well. So this access skyrocketed the demand for the Fantom platform in space. Fortunately, this scheme further these predictions are for the next coming months, which is very, very good for FTM investors, because if they get in now, which is at 0.26, let's go back to the chart, 0.27. If that were to go to $1, or even if it went to 0.75, that will be tripling it, which will triple your investment. So if you invested $100 right now, that would times by 3, so that will be so it will be $300. If it were to go to $1, it will mean your investment would become $400. So it really depends on how much you invest and when you invest, and that's even more like motivation to be doing your own research and being active in the space itself. Thank you guys for listening, and be sure to be in the next video.